Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason Snapchat keeps crashing for you. Now, this can happen on iPhone, Android, it doesn't really matter, but the first thing you want to do and the first thing I would always recommend is updating your Snapchat version on the most recent version that's available. So what you want to do there is you want to make your way over to your App Store. So you want to click on your App Store right here, and you want to search up Snapchat. So you want to click on the search button, or you can just find Snapchat like this, and you want to go and click on the Snapchat. And what you want to do is you want to see if there is an update option available. If it says update, then you pretty much found what you have to fix. You just have to update your Snapchat app, and probably most of the time that'll probably fix it for you. And that's really all you really have to do. There's really not much more you have to do on top of that. So just click update and that should fix it. Now, if for some reason that doesn't fix it for you, what I would recommend doing is going back into your Snapchat application and just seeing if you're even able to open it. If you open it and it just immediately crashes, or you open it and you use it every once in a while then it crashes, well, that may mean that Snapchat is actually down and is having server problems. So what you have to do here is what I would recommend doing is either looking in the comment section of this video and sorting by the latest comments. And if a lot of people are commenting at the same time, then that may mean Snapchat is down. Or you can make your way over to Twitter, you can make your way over to Snapchat support, their Twitter account, and see if they say something about Snapchat being down. If Snapchat is down, there's really nothing you can do. You pretty much just have to wait until Snapchat fixes their problem. Then after that, they'll push out a tweet, or you can just go on Snapchat maybe like 20, 30 minutes later, and you'll see that Snapchat is now up and it's running again. And that's really all you have to do for the most part. That is something that's totally out of your control, and you're just going to have to wait for them to fix it. If that still doesn't work, what I would recommend doing is to delete Snapchat from your phone. So go and hold it down, just delete this specific application, and then reinstall it. So by reinstalling it, so go back to your App Store, reinstall this app, and that may fix it for you. If that still doesn't fix it, which most of the time you're probably fixed by now, you want to go ahead and restart your phone. You may try wanting to update your phone, but most of the time you should be good to go. And unless it's a problem with your phone itself or the software with your phone, you should be fixed for the most part. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.